Alright, guys, it's time to mess with this piece of shit. I ain't gonna be happy with this, but who cares? Whoa! What the fuck? Bro. Now the pole chain is acting up. Are you kidding me? Every time. Every time. Ball. 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 No ball! Ball. Ball. Well, that was disappointing. Oh, wait. It was about to head back to the blades again. What the fuck? I'm gonna break a blade off. Yep, it did. It did. Doesn't wobble that much. Damn. Bowling ball. Bruh. Oh, another blade broke off of it. It's got a harness. I've never seen it wobble like that before. That's crazy. Boom. Oh shit. Goes in the... Bro. Oh god. Oh, one blade broke off, by the way. I was doing this, bro. Whatever it's doing, actually, it's not really doing it what it should do. Bro. So odd. Hold on. Bro. Not the pole chain again. I never seen a wobble like that before. Bro. Wet cloth. Oh, shit. Damn. Well, that's just got tangled. Well, nice motorbike. All the blades got off. Wow. I broke all the carbon blades off the fan, so I hope you guys are happy. Not the fan I was doing tonight. Oh, for fuck's sakes. Holy shit.